Presenting Atomberg Renesa 1200mm 3-blade ceiling fan. This fan is super energy efficient with its BLDC motor as it consumes only 28 watt on the highest speed. It runs 3 times longer on an inverter battery as compared to an ordinary induction fan by decreasing the fan speed by 1 notch every 2 hours. It possesses smart remote with features like boost, sleep, speed control and timer mode, and the operable distance using remote is up to 20 feet. The high-speed fan's output parameters are at par with a normal ceiling fan with an air delivery of 230 cubic meter per minute and 340 rotation per minute speed. It has a LED indication for speed and can also be used as a night lamp. It requires no regulator as the speed of the fan can be changed by just toggling the on and off switch. It runs consistently at the same speed even with fluctuating input voltage of 140 to 285 volts. It can be used in the living room, dining room and bedroom, ideal for a room size up to 140 square feet. It comes in 7 color variants of black, brown, brown and black, ivory, ivory black, white and white black. The dimensions of the product are 50 cm in length by 23 cm in width by 20 cm in height, and it weighs 4 kilograms. Inside the box you will find the 1 fan motor, set of blade 3 numbers packed separately, pair of canopy, 1 down rod, shackle kit, remote control, batteries, user manual, warranty card and extended warranty registration card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.